Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are doing very well and you will do very well. And today we dive a big point, which is a big point of English. I know that every beginner have a lot of experience of grammar. Every beginner have a lot of experience of speaking, but they are not able to capture this point. This point is a soul of English, I would say. If you are thinking that what is that point? So that point is vocabulary. Yeah, guys, vocabulary point is very big point of English. We can learn completely grammar. We can learn completely any other thing. We can learn shadowing practice. But what is that point? Vocabulary point. Vocabulary point is very big point that I think we can't finish completely in our whole life. So today we will mention and we will dive in this point today how to learn it easily. So guys, if you want to about it and if you are very excited about it, so please watch this video till the end. So today I will clear your concept and we will mention about it deeply. Okay, it is what it is. So if I talk about weather, so weather is very acceptable, I would say, and it is amazing also because I think before 2 3 hour rain today over there, and I hope your weather would be very amazing and acceptable. If weather is not amazing, so please take care yourself because it is summer season and summer season is hard for a creature. That's why I'm saying like this. Okay, it is what it is. So we will talk about building because vocabulary is a big building of English. Vocabulary is a big career of English. So today we will mention only about it. So guys, how to learn vocabulary? It is real that we have to hard work. It is real that we have to attempt a lot. But if you are thinking that I have to learn a lot of vocabulary, so from where should you learn and from where should us learn vocabulary? So I think 5,000, more than 5,000 vocabulary is obtainable at our home. So we should start from our home. So after that one, you go your neighbor and you go market. So what all are available over there? So you should capture that vocabulary also. So guys, learn like this. And if you are learning vocabulary continuously, so you would be able to speak a lot of vocabulary.